Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 4G aka Poco M3 and Redmi 9 Power mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port using a picker and point head. Insert the picker and by using a plastic car pry tool or picker, gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Be gentle while taking out the back cover. The Touch ID button flex holds the back cover with the logic board. Next, hold the back cover and take out the logic board frame by undoing screws. Undo 10 screws and lift the protector cover using a pry tool. And then disconnect the battery and Touch ID sensor plug. Now the back cover can leave from the body. Next, move to the bottom section and undo 7 screws to take out the secondary board cover. Next, to pull out the broken charging port board, disconnect the main flex ribbon and antenna, and then gently lift the board. Next, replace the broken charging port board with a new unit and securely place it on the board. Next, connect the main flex and antenna into the board, and then add the cover by securing 7 screws. Next, connect the Touch ID plug and add the logic board frame by adding 10 screws. Finally, place the back cover and secure the clips, and then add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the charging port replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.